Today I will show how to make a pipa knot. I usually make pipa knots at the loose end of any macrame project. Sometimes I also make cool earrings using this pipa knot. They have this great teardrop shape which looks very nice on a earring. You will need just one single string for pipa knot, so I am pushing the other end out of the work table. Observe how I make a loop with the strings. Go over and then make another loop inside the first one. Work the strings like the number 8. Repeat this till the first bigger loop is filled with no space. And finally slip this end from this tiny space and pull it down gently. Don't forget to watch the next video where I will show you how to use different knots to make fun macrame projects. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby?